Hey everyone, this is Philip Gross with the Motor Masters. I'm here in West Palm Beach, Florida, and I'm about to show you our latest restoration of a 1989 Jeep Grand Wagoneer. Let me flip the camera over, let you guys see this. Do a walk around. Let me shut the door here. It's got a brand new paint and body work. The color on this is dark red vivid metallic. It was the only color you could get in 1989. And we got a new wood grain kit on it. This is going back to our customer in Bowling Green, Kentucky. It's got new tires on it, new white walls. Just a complete awesome paint work. So you can see this beautiful view here in my neighborhood with a lake. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start this up. It's got a brand new rebuilt 360 AMC engine, fuel injection. So we're gonna start it up. Hold on just a second while I raise the hood. Got a nice, awesome hood liner. Protect the heat on the hood. And this engine's very quiet. We've added a lot of air conditioning components, a lot of new parts. Aluminum cross flow radiator, the dual electric fan. Also has a rebuilt transmission. We also had a rear oil main seal replaced. It's got 136,949 miles. This was actually an abandoned vehicle that my customer found, and it took him 2 to 3 years to take ownership of it. So I'm gonna turn on the AC. Blows ice cold. Turn the radio on here. Sure about that. Anyway, got a new headliner, new carpet, see that there. Show you the tailgate window going down. We'll open up the trunk. See all this. Get the top of the hood rooftop here. Put new door locks and actuators. New door lock actuators and flex racks. Roll the window back, tailgate window back up. These locks are coming up, most of them. They get a little sticky, but they do work. If you saw the other one. There. they're all working. Pull the driver's side window down. That one's good. This one rolls a little slower than normal. It's just because it's just not used, so it just takes time. Oop. Show you this one. Well, this one's stuck a little bit, but that's all right. We'll get it later. They just got to be used, that's all, but they work. Let's try it from here. Get it out. That's all. I was just giving us fit, so other than that, it's good. But this paint job is just immaculate. Beautiful. Like I said, this one's going back to Bowling Green, Kentucky. It's going to go back this week, and I'll be posting plenty of pictures on Instagram, Facebook, and anywhere else that I need to do. Anywhere else that I need to post. Let me just show you everything again with it running. So quiet. And it's such a beautiful day here in West Palm Beach, Florida. Going to be in the 80s today. Okay, everyone, that's a wrap. This is thank you for checking out our latest restoration by the Motor Masters. Our Facebook page is Phil's Wagoneers, and Instagram is Phil's_Wagoneers. Check us out. Give us a call if you're looking to restore your Jeep Grand Wagoneer. We can restore it any way that you want. You all have a great day.